Think you can't have a garden because you live in an apartment or a small space? Think again. Indoor gardening is not only possible, it's fun, therapeutic, and can even give you fresh herbs, veggies, and flowers right at home. Today, I'll show you how to set up an indoor garden in small spaces and apartments, what to grow, where to grow it, and the secrets to keeping your plants happy and thriving. Start with the right plants. Not every plant loves life indoors. To succeed, choose varieties that are compact, low maintenance, and don't need huge root systems. Best indoor plants for small spaces. Herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and cilantro. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and arugula. Compact veggies like cherry tomatoes, peppers, and radishes. And of course, houseplants like pothos, snake plants, peace lilies, and succulents. Small space gardening is about smart choices, plants that thrive in containers and don't demand acres of sunlight. Light is everything. Here's the truth. Sunlight is the biggest challenge indoors. How to fix it? Use windowsills facing south or west for maximum light. Rotate plants every week so they grow evenly. If natural light is limited, invest in LED grow lights. They're energy efficient, affordable, and mimic the sun. Pro tip: leafy greens and herbs can get by with less light, while fruiting plants like tomatoes need more intensity. Containers and creative setups. Don't have a yard? No problem. You can grow plants almost anywhere with the right container. Ideas for small spaces: mason jars, ceramic pots, or recycled containers, hanging planters and wall-mounted shelves, tiered plant stands to maximize vertical space, even hydroponic countertop kits if you want soil-free gardening. The key is drainage. Make sure your containers have holes so roots don't drown. Alright, let's talk about soil and growing medium. Good soil is non-negotiable, folks. Seriously, don't just dig up dirt from outside. Instead, use potting mix for indoor plants. It's lighter and drains better. You can add perlite or vermiculite for extra aeration, and mix in compost or worm castings to boost nutrients. Your plants are depending on this foundation, and honestly, healthy soil means way fewer problems down the road. Next up, watering without overwatering. One of the easiest ways to kill an indoor plant? Overwatering. Here's a simple rule of thumb. Stick your finger about 1 inch into the soil. If it's dry, go ahead and water. If it's damp, just wait a bit. For herbs and leafy greens, try to keep the soil slightly moist. For succulents and cacti, let the soil dry out between waterings. Oh, and pro tip, use a saucer under your pots to catch extra water, but don't let your plants just sit in it. Now let's talk about controlling the indoor climate. Remember, your plants live where you do, so indoor conditions totally matter. Here are some things to watch. Temperature. Most plants love it between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity. Kitchens and bathrooms are naturally more humid, which is awesome for tropical plants. And air circulation, using a small fan can help prevent mold and keep pests away. Even small adjustments can really make your plants grow faster and healthier. Fertilizing indoors is super important because honestly, container-grown plants use up nutrients way faster than outdoor ones. The solution? Feed them lightly but regularly with a liquid fertilizer or, some organic compost tea. Every 3 to 4 weeks is usually enough. Just don't overdo it. Too much fertilizer can actually burn the roots. Indoor gardens aren't totally problem-free, so watch out for these issues. If you see yellow leaves, it probably means there's too much water or not enough light. Leggy, stretched plants, they just need more light. Gnats or bugs hanging around? Let the soil dry out and use sticky traps. Slow growth is usually a sign to feed with a balanced fertilizer. Most issues really come down to water, light, or nutrients. Fix those, and your plants will totally bounce back. Indoor gardening isn't just about growing food, it's also about creating a great atmosphere. Mix herbs and veggies with decorative plants for a cool look. Try using pretty containers, shelves, or even a vertical garden wall. Not only will your space smell amazing, but you'll also get a calming, nature-inspired vibe right in your apartment. So there you have it, indoor gardening for small spaces and apartments made simple. Just choose the right plants, give them enough light, water wisely, and watch your indoor jungle grow. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and hey, share it with a friend who dreams of having plants at home. Drop a comment below. What's the first plant you want to grow indoors? Until next time, happy planting, even if you're doing it in the smallest space.